Hello guys, welcome to Surya Zone. I am Surya Sendil Kumar working as a data engineer at Deloitte. Actually, one of my LinkedIn follower has shared one SQL problem which was asked in one of the big four firm called EY for the role of data engineer. Okay, let's go into that now. Actually, this is my input. So I have a category column, subcategory, and a price column. So, and this is my output. So in the output, we want to show category and subcategory. Okay, so this is my input and this is my output. So now let's see the problem statement. So the problem statement is for each category, find the top two subcategory based on its price. If we have a single subcategory for a category and its price is greater than 50, include that also in the output. Which means, so if you see the example of chips, so for chips, I have three distinct subcategories. From this, we need to take only the top two subcategories based on its price. Then for chips, Lays will come and Kurkure will come in the output. Chips, Kurkure, and then chips Lays. Similarly, for chocolate, if you see here, we have four different subcategories like dairy milk, five star, perk, and munch. And here the top two will be dairy milk and then five star because the dairy milk is 120 rupees and five star is 40 rupees. Then if you see the biscuit, okay, so here we have only a single subcategory and its price is also greater than 50. So we need to include this biscuit and Oreo also into the output because that also satisfies the requirement of the question. Okay, so now let's solve the problem. Yeah, let's start. Actually, I have already created a table called category. So don't worry, I'll provide you the create table script and instead statements in the description box. I hope you people are already clear on the requirement. Actually, we need to find like for each category category we need to find top two subcategory. Okay, and then the next thing is if for a category we have a single category, sorry, if we have a single subcategory, then we have to check its price. If the price is greater than 50, then we need to include that also in the output. Okay, cool. Now let's start with the program. Okay, so select from category. So we need category column and then subcategory and then price. And then first we need to find the top two categories for a category. For each category, we need to find the top two categories based on its price. I missed it. Okay, so how do we find that? So in SQL, we have a lot of windowing function. So in those, we are going to use one window function called dense rank. So please let me know in the comment if you want to know more about window functions. I'll create a separate video for that. Okay, so here I am using dense rank window function over partition by category order by price descending as R. Okay, cool. Now let me run this query. And then I'm ordering the, okay, this is already in a proper order way, so we don't want to worry. So actually what this windowing function is doing is, so what our question is, for each category we need to find the top two categories based on its price, right? So this window function, we are grouping the data based on category and we are ordering it based on a price, and here we are ordering it based on descending, so that for the highest price the rank will come as 1, and then for the second highest price the rank will come as 2. Okay, so from this we need to find the top two categories, subcategories. How do we find it? We can either use a CTE, which is a common table expression. I'll explain you guys in a separate video about it. If you need it, please comment it. So or otherwise we can make use of subquery. So I'll here use the subquery. So category we need, and then subcategory we need in the output. Yeah, only we need these two categories. So for your understanding, I am fetching the price also from here. Okay. The where a dot rn in 1 comma 2. So let me run this query. Cool. So what I will do is, I already explained to you about this, right? What this dense rank is doing is, so it will order the category based on its price in a descending order, and from that we are fetching only the top two subcategories. And in the output, we need only the category and subcategory. So this price I have added for your understanding only. So here, if you see chips, Kurkure, and then chips, Lace, and then chocolate, Dairy Milk, and then 5 star, because these two are top two categories. Here, the biscuits Oreo, we have a single category only. Its price is greater than 120. But what will happen if I have another category named vegetables, and in the subcategory, if I have drumsticks, and if the price is 30 rupees, then that should not come in the output, right? But this query will bring that also into the output. So, how we can sort it out is, so we need to count the subcategory based on category. Okay, so for that also we can use a windowing function kind of thing. So count of category over partition by, we need to count the subcategory, because for a category we need to find how many categories how many subcategories are there. So count of subcategory partition by category order. I think I don't we don't want to do the order by and all as count. Okay, so now let me run the inner query only. Okay, so I have triggered the inner query now. So if you see the inner query, it is giving us the count. So for example, for biscuits, I have only one subcategory, so the count has come as 1. And for chips, I have 3 subcategories and the count has come as 3. And for chocolate, we have 4 different subcategories and the count has come as 4. So what we can do is we can add one condition known as an a dot. This is our subquery alias, and then the count should be greater than 1. Okay. So we need to find the top two subcategories, right? So here we have keep the rank should be in 1 and 2. So in this case, biscuit have only 1. So and its rank is also 1. So this will come in the output. So what we can do is, for this particular criteria, we can add one more condition and count greater than 1, so that the biscuit won't come here. Okay, now we will have only chips and chocolates. But we have one more logic that we need, if for a particular category, if we have a single subcategory, then we have to check its price, and its price is greater than 50, then we need to include that also into the output, right? So then for that we need to add one more condition, that is or a dot count equal to 1, and if for a particular category, if my subcategory count is 1 and its price is also greater than 50, then it should come in the output. So now let me run the query. Cool. See, now we have got the expected result. So because of, due to what to say, as per this solution, it will satisfy all the scenario or all the test cases for this particular query. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who are preparing for data engineering interviews. I am planning to upload more interview based questions based on SQL and PySpark. So please do subscribe and share. It will motivate me to create more quality contents. Yeah, thank you guys. See you later.